What's up? This is crazy. That's what we call a drop off. This is Indian Rock, right?
Yep.
That's Huntington down there.
Yeah.
You can really see it. The tree's in the way, but the bridge is over there. How far down do you think it is, buddy? 100 feet, maybe?
Maybe 70. They have that. About 70 feet.
Yeah, maybe 170.
Every year. We should get some stuff and come up here and rappel off this rock.
That's what I was gonna say. This is crazy.
That'd be fun. You've rappelled before, right?
Yeah, well, I can go Aussie, I can do all that shit.
That camera plane ain't gonna make that look any have any justice.
I know.
Never does.
That's wicked.